Uba polling do Menteri Ketenaga Social Welfare. Oleh tu baka Sorkar kala chimkhia hadu kata-kata ka bidei baka jingle persya yo drugs. Yakani la banyu hadin baka Sorkar kala thung yaka kenhun ka ba khamrit nak tan jike pulit yak ban kli de wipat uhe pulit nak ta banyile persya yo drug ba ban pe Kyrpang tang na kam ta ki kam ki bidei ba ka jing khai drug tani ka jing di drug sa ka jalla. Tu baka di komiti kala mi adin baka Sorkar kala pelong bun teli ki jalang da ka ba khot ki ba baro ki stakeholder ki school ki college ki shnong ki thau bat ki wedi ki kanhun menyamir jingmut kumno menyile persya ba ban te la kam ya ka jing jelai jo drug sa ka jalla ko jo ko poru la ongru baka jing pencek kam ya ki an kalong ka badan kam hadu kata kata da ka baka Sorkar jala kan pe langru ya ki an ke badai jang ka Sorkar pedeng kumno ban te la kam menyile persya ya ka jing sniyo ka bala jelai ka bala kata ya ki imnang ka salang ka bala kata ya ki yin ki sama kumjuru bala kata ya ki beri shimat.
The meeting was very cordial, very fruitful, and very positive. I took the opportunity to explain to the NGO leaders that first and foremost, the state government has notified a new mission director of DREAM, which is Mr. F.G. Kharshiek, retired IPS officer. In view of his vast experience in policing, we have zeroed in on his name, and he will assume charge day after tomorrow, that is on the 7th of November. Apart from that, I have also had a detailed meeting with the Deputy CM in charge home yesterday, because as you're aware, the issue of drug menace crosses many departments. It is interlinked with home police, it is interlinked with social welfare, health, law, and so on and so forth. So after the assumption of office of the new mission director, the next meeting of the DREAM mission at the state level will be held on the 14th of November and will be chaired by Deputy CM in charge, Home. We will take up the various concerns expressed by this particular NGO as well as several other civil society organizations. There are strategies which are of a short-term basis. There are those which are of medium, and there are those of a long-term basis. So we, as a government, are committed to containing and eventually eradicating the menace of drug trafficking from our state. And the importance of the meeting on the 14th is that we will have a fresh look at our strategy of tackling the problem. There will be more focus on policing and the need to strengthen the ANTF. We will also be focusing and working out on making the ANTF a dedicated police force, which will not be tied down by normal policing activities, which is what is happening as of date. So that apart, the other area of concern where the addiction centers, rehabilitation centers is concerned, government has made it very clear that we are keen to have more such centers, but we need the local community to come forward. One major component which is not admissible as per the central ministry's guidelines are concerned is allotment of land. There is no provision for purchase of land, which is why we require local communities to come forward and donate land, in exchange for which we are ready to increase more such centers. Also, on the 17th of this month, I will be personally meeting the ministers in charge of various ministries. There are 5 ministries which are linked to this Department of Social Welfare. I will be calling on the ministers concerned on the 17th and the 18th of this month. So this is briefly what I have to share. Thank you. Yeah.